On these sets, we'll perform the operations of union and intersection to check how they work. Here, I declared a set named people in which some names like J, Idrish, Akil are included. For the purpose of operations, it is essential that we have two sets on which we are to perform them. I have taken both sets. First, we will apply the union operation on them. There are two ways to perform the union operation. One method is that I have printed my set. First set, pipe sign in the middle, which when we studied the OR logic gate, when we studied the decision statement, in it the logical operations we had in them we would use the same sign for OR operation. That sign it is called the pipe sign. We used it between two sets to represent union. Before printing, let's see another method of it. We'll see the two sets between which I have to take union. First set dot union, we have the union function, and in it we have passed the second set as an argument that we have to take union of this set with my set. If I use it as an output, so it has presented the union of both the sets as an output. C, J, Arkle. Both these methods are working correctly for union. Similarly, if we have to perform intersection for it, we have the AND operation, and we have the intersection function. If I run it, it will return an empty set because there is nothing common in these two. Between intersection always returns the common thing back, so if I will run it now, so it has given me CC, meaning only one element C is common in them. It has returned that back. The third operation that we have of set is difference. For it, we have the minus sign, my set. We have to take the difference of first set and second set. Subtract the first set from the second set, meaning those elements that are available to us in the first set and are not available in the second set. For that, we have the difference function. From it, it will only return BA, that it took the difference of my set from the set of people, and here it took the difference of people from my set. In difference, mathematically, this thing is shown that it gives elements that are available in the first set, but are not available in the second set. It has shown us the same thing in its output that when I took the difference of first set of my set minus people, A element is available in set myself. It is not available in any other set place, so it has shown A and B as output. When I took the difference of people with my set, it looked at those elements that are available in people and are not available in my set. Till here, the thing that we have learned is that the sets that we had, we perform operations on them of union and intersection and difference. We also have some other operations like disjoint set, proper set, subset. So for it, we have any two sets to check what output will we get against them. Let's check their outputs also. We have a set 4. We have declared it an empty set. We have a set 5. We have also declared it an empty set. Before working here, let me tell you one more thing. We can place values with the help of loops in sets also. How we can place values with the help of loops if I have to write a for loop. For I in range from where till where 1, 10 and set, any set in which I have to add values, I'll declare that set first. Set 4 is equal to the set and I have declared empty. In it I have to add values. Set 4 dot add. I will place the element that I have to add in it. Let's print it. At the end, set 4. I have added the values in sets with the help of iterator or with the help of loop.